Imagine a world where you can control technology with your mind, moving a cursor, typing words, or even communicating with another person without speaking. What if your thoughts could travel directly into the digital realm, skipping keyboards, touchscreens, and voice commands entirely? It may sound like science fiction, but it's not. This is reality, and it's unfolding right now. Welcome to Existence Files, where we explore the frontier between humanity and technology. In today's episode, we're diving deep into one of the most groundbreaking developments of our time, brain-computer interfaces, the merging of mind and machine. Before we begin, take a second to subscribe and like this video. It helps us keep exploring these fascinating topics about the future of consciousness, technology, and human evolution. The story of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, begins in the 1970s, a time when scientists first realized that brain activity could be detected, measured, and potentially decoded by computers. In the early experiments, subjects were connected to bulky machines through e-caps that detected brainwaves. The technology was primitive, but the idea was revolutionary. If we can read brain signals, maybe we can understand the language of thought itself. Fast forward to today, BCI research has exploded. We now have implants that can translate neural activity into computer commands in real time. These devices can allow paralyzed patients to move robotic limbs, or even regain communication through thought alone. The human brain produces about 86 billion neurons, each firing tiny electrical impulses. When patterns of those impulses are recorded and analyzed, they can reveal intent, emotion, or even decision-making. BCIs act as translators, turning neural patterns into digital signals, allowing our inner thoughts to take physical form. If that sounds incredible, hit the like button, because the deeper we go, the stranger and more exciting it gets. At its core, every brain-computer interface has two main parts: the recording system, which captures brain activity; the decoding algorithm, which interprets those signals into actionable output. The simplest form uses an e-cap, a non-invasive device that measures brainwaves through the scalp. These are often used in labs and research centers because they're safe and relatively easy to apply. Then, there are invasive BCIs, involving electrodes implanted directly into brain tissue. They can record individual neurons firing, offering unmatched precision. For example, Neuralink and Synchron are developing advanced implants that could eventually allow humans to control digital systems entirely by thought. But it's not just about movement. BCIs are unlocking new forms of communication, allowing people who have lost the ability to speak to express themselves again. Some systems can translate brain signals into text or speech with astonishing accuracy. Imagine typing an email with your mind. That's no longer science fiction, it's happening right now in clinical trials. As we move deeper into the 21st century, BCI research is expanding at an exponential pace. New frontiers are emerging, some straight out of the imagination of science fiction writers. One promising field is neural dust, microscopic sensors that can float through the bloodstream, attach to neurons, and wirelessly transmit data. Another is optogenetics, a technique that uses light to control brain cells, offering incredible precision in understanding neural networks. Scientists are even exploring brain-to-brain communication, where one person's thoughts can be transmitted directly to another's brain. Imagine sharing emotions, memories, or experiences instantly, no words, no screens, just pure connection. It sounds wild, but small-scale experiments have already proven it's possible. Then there's thought-to-image technology, where AI systems interpret neural activity to recreate what a person is seeing or imagining. Your dreams, your memories, visualized in real time. If that idea doesn't blow your mind, I don't know what will. By the way, if you're enjoying this deep dive into the future of neuroscience, take a second to subscribe. Your support really helps us bring more content like this to life. As powerful as BCIs are, they come with profound ethical challenges. Let's start with privacy. If machines can read brain signals, could they eventually access your private thoughts? What would data security mean when your mind is the source of data itself? The risk of mind hacking or unauthorized access might sound like a dystopian idea, but it's something ethicists and technologists are already taking seriously. Then there's the issue of consent and control. Who owns the information recorded from your brain, you, the company that made the implant, or the AI that interprets it? And what happens when only certain people can afford cognitive enhancement? We could be creating a new kind of inequality, a neural divide, where the enhanced leave the rest of humanity behind. If technology can literally change how we think, then ethics must evolve just as fast as science does. If you believe these questions matter, give the video a thumbs up. It helps spread awareness of how innovation and responsibility must grow together. Let's look beyond the technology, and into philosophy. Because BCIs don't just change how we interact with machines. They challenge the very definition of being human. For centuries, communication has required language, motion, and expression. Now, thought itself is becoming a medium. Imagine a future where learning is instant, knowledge downloaded directly into the brain. Or where creativity becomes limitless, music, art, and ideas flowing directly from the mind to the digital world. Some futurists believe BCIs are the next step in human evolution, a bridge to transhumanism, where biological and artificial intelligence merge. And then comes the boldest idea of all, digital immortality. If we can preserve consciousness, the patterns, memories, and personality of a person, could the mind live on inside a machine? It raises an unsettling question: if we upload our thoughts, is that still us? Or just a perfect copy that believes it's alive? These aren't questions with easy answers, but they might define the next chapter of human existence. BCIs are still in their infancy. But like all great technologies, their growth will accelerate, guided by innovation, ethics, and human curiosity. Governments and researchers are already building frameworks for neural rights, ensuring protection of mental privacy and cognitive freedom. At the same time, startups are racing to make consumer-grade BCIs as common as smartphones. In the next 20 years, it's entirely possible that brain-controlled devices will be as natural as speaking to your phone today. And when that happens, the way we learn, work, and connect will never be the same again. We stand at the edge of a new era, one where thought and technology intertwine, and humanity takes its next leap forward. The story of brain-computer interfaces is not just about machines, it's about us. Our curiosity, our ambition, and our endless search for connection. If you enjoyed this exploration, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Existence Files, and turn on notifications, so you don't miss the next journey into the future of consciousness. Tell us in the comments, do you believe BCIs will set us free, or make us prisoners of our own technology? Until next time, stay curious, and keep exploring the edges of existence.